Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. I am obsessed with this facial cleanser and I have used it almost every single morning for maybe 4 or 5 years. It is one of my favorite ones to use. I love using it in the morning. I only use it in the morning. I'm sure you could use it like in the morning and the evening if you wanted to, even though it says morning burst. Like, it doesn't really matter. I personally just like to use it in the morning. I feel like it really helps to just kind of wake me up. So it has bursting beads, it says it wakes you up, rinses clean, and it has vitamin C and ginseng. It's by Johnson & Johnson. Clean and Clear, I guess, is like a... Wow, I can't think. It's like a company under Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is like the parent company, and then they've got other companies within them. So yeah, so this is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. So it's not super travel friendly, but I'll get to traveling with it in a moment. But yeah, I really like this. Go ahead and turn it around so you can see some of the information there on the back. Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser is a foaming cleanser uniquely formulated with bursting beads that burst with energy and vitamins and an invigorating citrus fragrance to help wake you up. It won't clog pores and it's hypoallergenic, and then it's got it's a typical face wash, so you wet your hands in your face, massage it onto your face, and then it turns into like a nice little lather, a little bit, it's not super foamy, but it gets a little sudsy, and the bursting beads break, and I really love this. I think they have a whole collection of the morning line. This is the only thing that I use from it, but I'm sure the other products also have a lot of value in them. Try to get the whole product there on the camera. There we go. Get a little closer. Okay. So yeah, so I use this in the mornings. It's almost like the very first thing I do when I wake up. I wake up and I head straight to the bathroom to wash my face with this product. It's oil-free. I love oil-free products, especially because my skin is kind of on the oilier side. So that's why I really am obsessed with this product. I think it makes my skin, I think it keeps my skin really clear. My face feels really clean after I use it. Clean and clear. I did not even mean to do that, but it's true. Since I've started using this, my skin just really has stayed really clear, and it's not the only thing I use. I use several other products in like my daily routine. I use toner, moisturizer, micellar water, essence, things like that. Exfoliators, masks. There's so many products. I have a pretty intense skincare regimen. I use several products, but this is one that I have stuck to for years, almost every single day. The only time I don't use it is when I'm really wake up and I'm just way too lazy in the morning. But I've not ever, over the past few years, switched it out for another morning product, which says a lot because I love to try new products. So using one product every single day for that long is like a huge deal, and it's really quite surprising, and just I think is a testament to the product itself. Now, as far as traveling with it, it does have a lock on the, it was squeezing. Okay, so let me just show you. Product, I didn't get any of the beads in that, which is okay. It's on the thicker side. So yeah, I don't know what to do with this now. But I got some of the product out. Anyway, what I was saying before that was that it's really nice to travel with this because you can twist the pump and it locks. So you know that it's not going to spill. You can throw it in a bag, throw it in a suitcase, and it is not going to spill. It's got a lock, and then when you go to use it, you just turn it back. So you turn it to the left to lock, to the right to unlock. It works really, the lock works well. You don't have to worry about it spilling at all, which is really, really nice. That's really cool and probably like my favorite thing about that. I love products that I can travel with and don't have to worry about spilling, because that's like one of my biggest things when traveling with any kind of liquid, is I'm always so paranoid about it spilling in my luggage and everything just kind of getting ruined. It also has a really nice, fresh, clean scent to it. It is a little bit citrusy, so I think that that really helps in waking you up because it's a very potent smell. Well, citrus in general is usually very potent. This is a little bit on the more subtle side, but it's very fresh and very clean. So yeah, I highly, highly recommend this. If there's any one facial cleanser that I would recommend, it would definitely be this one, especially for mornings, because it just makes your face feel fresh and clean and helps you wake up and just feel awake, and it also just works really well as far as keeping your skin clear. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.